Hi everyone, Attorney Rachel Kelley here with another Family Law Friday, continuing my Baby Mama Mistake series. This week I wanted to talk about when baby mamas refuse child support to, quote, keep the peace. Okay, so why is this important? Well, what I often see is that there are women, particularly if they were never really in a partnership with their baby daddy from the birth of the child or from when the child was incredibly small, like less than 6 months old, where they just say, oh, I never put him on child support because I always was just trying to keep the peace. Well, that's all well and good, and that is your choice, but what I often find is that usually around the time that it starts to get, let's just be honest, a little bit easier to parent the child when they're about 3 or 4, we start to see that fathers often want to become more involved. And now they're going to be fighting for more time, more parenting time, potentially equal parenting time. And when they do that and they take you to court, then you're typically going to say, well, okay, now I want child support because he's been allowing me to control the schedule this entire time, and in exchange, I haven't been receiving any child support. So now that he doesn't want to allow me that flexibility and control, I would like to receive child support. And the reality is that's great. You can start getting your child support, but now you're incentivizing him to fight you for more time because the child support reduces with the number of overnights that a parent exercises. So the closer you get to equal, the less he's going to be paying in child support. And ultimately, what I often find in these kinds of situations is that, first of all, it's devastating for a mom who's been a primary parent for 3 years. It's an incredibly difficult adjustment on a child to go from mom being the primary parent for 3 years to then now all of a sudden dad exercising equal time, first of all. But secondly, what we often see is that it just creates a really difficult co-parenting relationship moving forward because you have all this built-up resentment about how you did all of the hard part, the newborn stage, the infant stage, the toddler stage, without his help financially, and frankly, maybe with his sort of lackadaisical contact. And now, because the child is more self-sufficient, he wants more time, but doesn't want to have to give you any credit for what you did previously, right? And so my suggestion for moms in those circumstances is really go see an attorney, talk to them about the facts and circumstances of your case, and ultimately decide it's probably worth it to get that child support up front rather than just trying to, quote, keep that peace, because you'll get a court order that reflects your actual parenting time arrangement for your young child, which will set you up for success as they get older. Thank you. Hope this video was helpful. If you are in this situation and need some guidance, give our office a call. We're here to help.